add to their repertoire when they don't really need it.
And there's a look at this in the left field, and that's going to fall. Alex was reading it. Now he's going to be held as Pauly scores, and it's a good thing Coxie held him, and it's 2-0. We're just killing that ball.
I think it's me. That's the way I used to hit him right there. Oh my goodness. Furbush has got to be pulling his hair out. There's a breaking ball. It's really not a good pitch. Hanger. But Alexei is way out in front of it. Just kind of flips it over the infield. Little jam shot. Lordy.